In the realm of scientific possibility, a long-extinct predator may soon walk the earth again. The dire wolf, a formidable Ice Age hunter, vanished from our world millennia ago. But now, advances in genetic science are challenging the finality of extinction. Extinct for over 13,000 years, could the dire wolf make an unprecedented comeback? In laboratories around the world, scientists are pushing the boundaries of de-extinction. The goal? To reverse time and breathe life into long-lost species. But reintroducing an apex predator raises complex ecological questions. At the heart of this endeavor is the dire wolf's genetic code, preserved in ancient remains. Larger and more robust than its modern relatives, the dire wolf was a formidable predator. Using CRISPR technology, scientists can potentially reconstruct the dire wolf genome. Recent discoveries of well-preserved specimens have fueled excitement in the scientific community. The dire wolf isn't alone on the list of potential de-extinction candidates. Understanding dire wolf behavior is crucial for assessing the feasibility of its return. Comparing ancient DNA with that of modern wolves reveals the genetic puzzle pieces needed. The prospect of de-extinction raises profound ethical and practical questions. The reintroduction of dire wolves could have far-reaching consequences, both positive and negative. What are your thoughts on bringing back extinct species? Share in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating journeys into the realm of scientific possibility. What extinct species would you bring back?